Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the 4-hour time frame, as of right now, this does to me look like an ABC Crescent. If it is just a traditional ABC Crescent, then this will go up and it will take out the previous highs. Now there is a possibility this turns into more of a complex Crescent, meaning that maybe this is like three waves down and this move up is actually going to be a Crescent to these three waves down. Maybe do something like this, and then it goes down again. Definitely a possibility we get more of a complex crescent here. So keep both options in mind over the next couple days for sure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like it's getting ready to make a move to the downside. And if this right here is like an A, a B, and a C crescent to the last wave up, which is the last five waves up, then potentially this could go down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels and then give us a nice bounce and potentially end up continuing the uptrend. So because the US dollar index and because the higher time frames are making higher highs, higher lows, I personally am definitely still recommending looking for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.